Right, all good? Okay, great. So let me share my screen. Everybody seeing my screen here? Are you seeing my slides? Right? Good. Swati? Right? Leela?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ayappan?
Right.
Right? Okay, great. So please be interactive with me. I'm not a teacher to you. I'm just a speaker to you today. Okay, it's always a be interactive here. Okay, so Leela, if you can, I appreciate if you can move your camera like this in other direction, then it will be a more better view for me. Yeah, just do other horizontal or vertical. Mm. Okay, I think most of the people are from California, Cal, and I see one from Dallas. Excellent. So this is a business, purely business opportunity. Our mission for this company here is Gayatri. If you're listening, we are babysitting, but still listen here. This is the opportunity for creating wealth for families, right, Swati? So creating wealth for families. So how we can make wealth for families here? If you have a dream, if you are looking for an income source opportunity, this is the vehicle for you. How? So let's look at when I said business opportunity. So when I ask you one question, where are the top successful people in the country or anywhere in this world, either from a business background or job background? Anyone? Leela, do you have a from which area, either business or job? Top successful people, not only from money perspective, from charity perspective also.
From the business, right?
Right? Absolutely right. You are right. From the business. But where are the most people today, either business or jobs, Swati? Ayappan?
Many of us are held to a job.
Job, right? So when Leela said most people are successful people are in business, uh, but more people on the other side of the coin. Okay, why this is a conflict here? Okay, that is exactly we are solving here. So typically, one of the famous author called Robert Kiyosaki, Leela, Ayappan, Swati, everyone, Gayatri. So he divided the income sources from anyone in this world in 4 different ways. On the left side, the top is employee 9 to 5. Most of the people know that one. And left side down is self-employment, which is kind of a doctors, dentist, because they have to be there in the office. They have to be there in the clinic to make the money. Right? Everyone agrees, Leela, right? There is self-employment. Like a attorney should be there. The right side, like a business owners. Example, McD owner, Dunkin' Donuts, McD owner, right? They are business system-driven businesses. The owner should not be there, but the system runs the business. On the right side down, investor like a Warren Buffett. You invest overnight in stocks or somewhere, start generating money, right? These are the 4 income streams, typically everyone. But if you look at the more wealthy right side, but more people in the left side, right? So, Leela, are you doing 9 to 5 job, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So no, yeah. So we respect 9 to 5. So our goal here is to transit people from left to right. While you are doing what you are doing today, and slowly we'll transit to left side, right? Like Ayappan, makes sense, right? Gayatri, Swati, this is what we do. How? So we said everyone agrees that business is the way to go. Business is the opportunity to do some kind of start this one. But which industry can do business? There are many industries, right, Leela? There are many industries, Ayappan. We can do healthcare, we can do retail, whatnot. Which industry that you can think of, Leela? If you want to start a business, which industry that you can think of?
Maybe food business.
Food business, restaurants. Okay, nice. Swati, any options? Ayappan, do you have any choice? Gayatri? Anyone? I mean, Srijan, Ranjit,
Can I
Ruchi?
ask one question?
Ruchi? Yes,
It
Ayappan.
can be education too.
It could be education too, absolutely. Yes, Ayappan, yeah.
So when we are saying this business, right?
Mhm.
Don't we have a knowledge on this, before we making into business?
Oh, yeah, good, great question. Can you hold that thought for a second? Okay, in the upcoming slides, we'll answer your question,
Mm.
right? That's a great question. So, yeah, education industry, Ruchi, yeah, you are right, education industry, whatnot. But let's think about like this. Business is kind of economics, demand and supply, right? If you have more demand, low supply, that is the opportunity. So let's look at the data. right? What data shows in this country? Which industry is the largest industry and what is the next largest? Look at the data wise, Gayatri or anyone, Ayyappan. So the financial industry is the 100 trillion market capture.
Mhm.
And next is like a retail industry, right? Retail, anything else comes under below, even not even half of this one. So wherever you go in this country, to any downtowns, the tallest buildings are coming from financial sectors. Have you ever noticed that?
Right.
Right? Money is in money business. Why people, if wherever you go, the banks, there's so many big buildings are banks, because how they are making money? Because industry is so big, money is in money business. So the data shows financial services is the largest industry. Do you know any family and friends are doing business in the financial industry? Ruchi, do you know any family and friends? No, right? Leela, do you know? Ayyappan, do you know? Right? Anyone? Swati?
No.
Maybe not, right? So that you see the opportunity there, right? Why can't we grab the opportunity? The largest industry, but low supply. Why can't you be that opportunity for that one? Right, Ruchi? That's exactly we are welcoming to the financial industry as a business opportunity here. Okay. Now, okay, this is the business opportunity in financial industry. But what are the major concerns anyone to start a business? What are the typical concerns anyone has it? For example, Ruchi, if I ask you to start a business, anything, what is your
Capital.
mindset comes? Capital, exactly. Number one. What else we have it? Anyone? No right or wrong answer. Leela, Srujan,
Knowledge.
Ayyappan, what is
Domain knowledge.
domain knowledge? Okay, that is one of the factor. Knowledge, how to start. That is exactly you ask every question. Don't have a knowledge. Maintenance, ongoing maintenance.
Capital.
So capital, yes. Capital is a very popular one. So let's say these are the typical lack of capital, lack of experience, right, Ayyappan? Right? Lack of leadership, lack of marketable idea, lack of security, fear of failure. These are typical valid reasons, right? Everyone in mindset. Everyone agrees with me, right?
Right.
Right, Ayyappan? You said I don't have a knowledge. Absolutely, no one has a knowledge when you start a business. But when you buy a McD franchise for 1 million, they will give knowledge to you. When you buy a $250,000 for a Dunkin' Donuts franchises, then they'll give knowledge to you because you're paying a big premium lump sum franchise fee. But here, when you are entering into the financial industry, how to overcome all these concerns? So this is exactly the opportunity where you are going to overcome all these concerns and you can start your own business with very low startup cost. You don't have to have experience here, everything. What is that opportunity? So there is a platform called Hedgeman Group International. Hedgeman Group International, Atlanta headquarters based. And in a short form, we call them as HGI. Yes, Leela, Ayyappan, we call them HGI. What is this platform? This platform will provide an equal opportunity and it provide everyone can start their own business with less than $200 and they can kickstart their own business with very low startup cost. So when I ask you, what is this platform? What is it? I said platform. HGI is a platform. What is this platform? This is a platform for the financial services. Anyone who wants to do business in financial services, they can use this platform and they can gain knowledge and they can experience here. Someone will mentor you, someone will train you. With a low startup cost, everyone can start. For example, Ruchi started, Ayyappan started, everyone started with low startup cost. $200 one time, lifetime. Not recurring here. Okay? And you can keep your own job. You can do this one also, part-time or full-time. Right? What is the role of HGI here? What is the role of Hedgeman Group International? This is exactly Ayyappan question will answer. Ayyappan, this platform will provide a complementary training end-to-end. Okay, how you can learn, what is the tricks and tips, how to start your own business, everything here, what not, world-class training and support. You have a digital marketing system. You have your own app here, own website for you. All these are like a turnkey system. You don't have to pay anything for this. All comes with complimentary. So HGI's role is people who are starting newly in this industry will provide a world-class training and support. right? Is it making sense, everyone, Ruchi? Right? Or if you go to McD's, if you buy a McD franchise, if you buy a $1 million franchise, they will provide training to you how to run a business. But here, very low to startup cost, $200 one time. You can start your own journey here, right? Making sense. Not only training education, we encourage and we recognize every small moment here. I don't know when your 9 to 5 job will really recognize you, but in this industry, every moment we recognize here. Okay, we're happy to recognize every small moment. We'll go as a team, right? This is how the website looks. When you start your journey with us in this industry with a platform, then your website looks like this. This is kind of a CRM system. You can track all your business. You can track all your training content, and you can see all the carriers here. Right? This is how it looks. So let's say, when I said platform, when I said financial industry as a business, what exactly we offer? So business means something to offer, right? Business something as a product or service. Here they're offering a service. What is our service? We have a diversified one-stop financial shop, Ayyappan. So if you go to Amazon.com, there is a retail products, right, Swati? Amazon.com, they offer what product? They offer some e-commerce products. Did really Amazon sell anything? It's a marketplace, right? Amazon is a marketplace, right? You can go, Ruchi can go, or Ranjit can go, Ayyappan can go, or Leela can go and start their own e-commerce store in Amazon. Similarly, HGA as a one-stop financial shop, this platform will provide all the solutions for every family needs in this country. Life insurance, term insurance, okay, industry universal life, long-term security, mortgage protection, final expense, stock market, retirement solutions, Medicare, okay, health insurance, whatnot. All kinds of asset protection, accumulation, and distribution. Right? How many people think these products needs for everyone? Leela, do you agree that everyone needs some kind of protection and financial planning in this country?
Yeah.
Right? Have you ever met any financial planner so far?
No.
Right? There is a gap. And that is a gap, right? Why? Because lack of knowledge. Sati, you see the opportunity there? Right? Leela can be your guest or maybe customer, right? You can help Leela, right? Ayyappan, you went to dark, right? Yeah. So there is a lot of people are waiting for a knowledge, education, because everyone busy their own lives. We have to kick them. Hey, you are going into trouble because you had to react in the right time. So these are the solutions we offer. But who is offering the solutions this one? Who is going to offer the solution? For example, if I ask you mortgage protection, a term insurance, which companies offer these products? Ruchi, any idea?
I read a little bit. It says Nationwide or Ethos. Nexus.
Absolutely. Mhm. Excellent. So, right, do you heard about those companies before, Leela, Ayyappan? Do you know those companies? Nationwide, Ethos, right? Do you hear those companies? Maybe some.
I do.
I do. Okay. So these companies, these are the top-notch companies in this country, right? These are top-notch companies. These companies are available from last more than 100 years, and they're helping all the American customers, American people from the last multiple decades, because everyone needs a financial planning, financial solutions. So these companies keep evolving the products and designing it according to the new era of technology, and delivering and giving to us to deliver to the clients. So when you start your journey or business in this industry, you get trained with all these products. Ayyappan, you get a training with all these products here, all the solutions. Once you have a state license, we help you to become a state license with here. Okay, in the United States. Once you have a state license, then you can access to all these companies here. Then you get a training with in the other breakout room. The training is happening today. Okay, one of the product here. He's a Jonah. Jonah came from North American company. North American company is a 135 years company. So you have equal opportunity to start your journey here. Right? We are working with the top-notch companies in this country. Right? This is the platform. Any questions, right? Is it making sense, everyone? Swati, right? Ayyappan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Ruchi, right? Leela?
Yeah.
Anyone, any newcomer? Gayatri are following, right? Yeah. So let's see,
Yeah.
what is our how does the business model works here? So, for example, Ruchi, when you started journey with us in this platform, you become a business owner. You're not reporting to anyone. No, you are just 199 turnkey system. You are you're a business owner. That's it. You're a business owner. When you start with us, so your business has a two menu card. Sorry, no, two menu card. First one is the opportunity. The second one is the solutions. Okay, very simple menu. First one is the business opportunity. Second one is the financial solutions. And what else you have here? You have some system in place. Like how McDonald's has a system, we also have a system. We need to follow the system to get training results, something people are using for the last couple of decades. When you follow the system, and we also have a mentor with you, and we have a carriers with you, like a nationwide, something like this. What is next? So you open your office, you have a menu card, you have all the system is ready. What is next? What is the next step you do? Leela, what is next step? You start a restaurant, you have a menu card, you have a chairs, tables, everything, you have a chef, everything. We are waiting for you, Rishi.
You need clients, you need people.
You need clients, absolutely. Who can be your clients? Who can be your customers? What can you think of? If you have a jewelry store, women are the largest population for jewelry store. But in case of financial business, who can be your target audience? Any guess?
Pretty much everyone, all adults.
All adults, exactly. So all the adults, anyone who are at age of between 18 to 81, okay, who are looking to make money. How many people want to make money here? Right? I want to raise two hands. I want to make double money, right? Yeah. who want to make money, who want to grow their existing money, and who want to protect they already made the money. So any of these three categories, okay, they can start their journey here. They are potential customers. Think about like this. By the time we're talking here from last 1 hour, 30 minutes, thousands of people enter this country through immigration. What is their dream? Why they are coming here? They want to make money? Is it one of the primary goal? They are here to make money. So everyone wants to make money in this country. If not you, someone will make money. Either you want to grab the opportunity, that's it, right? So now, let's see how this is your business setup. How you operate the business. We can do multiple ways of operation. We operate the business. Let's take the analogy of McD. McD can do in two ways. Either you build a franchises model like McD, or you stick to one location. So which one do you prefer? If I give the opportunity, which model do you choose? The franchise model or a one single store model? Both are good, by the way. Which one has a more potential in the long run? Anyone? Ruchi? Anyone? Leela? Which model do you prefer? Do you want to, if I give the opportunity, you want to build an empire with more franchises, or you stick to one location?
More franchises.
More franchises? Absolutely. So that if you want to build a bigger empire, more money, more diversification, building franchises is what to do. But both are way. But look, both can do here in this opportunity. Both can do. If you take my example, I started as a single store, and I built some experience, and I'm building franchises now. It's making sense, right? Yeah, that's how everyone starts. So if you put the same operation model example to our financial industry, similarly, same way, you can start journey as a financial education. You gain the education, gain the education in this industry, in this platform, and you can help the people with products, life insurance, college saving plan, retirements, everything. And once you gain your knowledge, you can build your team and build more people like you. Okay, you can do both. By the way, you don't have to do the two at a time. Make comfortable with one. Once you're comfortable with one, and then jump to second one, right? And so, and if you start with option 2 here, you make roughly around 45% of commission compensation, and we're growing with the team. It as a business education, then you make around up to 78 plus some generational overrides. See, the knowledge is different here. For example, Leela or Ruchi, if you look at here, if you are running a single store, the knowledge is different. When you are running a franchise model, you have a different knowledge, right? You need to know how to run a different franchises business. The way of talking, you need to act as a leader there. In the option 1, right? You need to handle multiple people, multiple teams, all those kind of experience. We provide all those education here. That's why in option 1, we have a business education. In option 2, we have a financial education. Making sense, everyone? Right? Yeah. So now, how much you can make this money? Let's say someone came to my agency. I offered a solution of $500 per month premium, life insurance solution for that family. Let's say for Ranjit family. So how much the yearly premium? 500 times 12 months is how much? Anyone? An answer is there. Just read it. 6,000, right? Yeah, answer is here. Yeah, 6,000. So let's say because I helped Ranjit with $500 premium, then how much I'm at 45%? How much I make commission? 45% times of 6,000 is how much? Gayatri?
Sorry, what is it?
What is the 45% of 6,000 here?
Oh, 45 times 6 is 27. So
Yeah.
27,000, something like
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
You're right. You are very, very right, precision right. 2,700. So when I help Ranjit for a family of $500 premium, I'm going to make it $2,700 as a commission. One time, right? Done. So if I help 2 families in a month, how much I make?
5,400.
5,400, right? I spent around 20 hours to do that one, whole month. Right? 5,000 divided by 20 is how much?
40? 400.
$400.
400.
You see, I'm making hourly billing is $400. I'm helping 2 families, $500 premium for the whole 1 month. For 20 hours spending, I'm making $400 per hour. These are worth in the business, right? When you grow in the business, you make more money here, right? But by the way, Ruchi, Gayatri, Ayyappan, okay, Swati, anyway, all and Leela, we're not asking to come here for 10 grand, 20 grand. No. You can make 10 grand, 20 grand anywhere in this country, anywhere other businesses. Right? Now, we have a proven blueprint. We have a very clear proven blueprint how to hit $1 million income in next 3 years. How to hit a first $1 million in next 3 years. I don't know how many people you heard before about this, how to make $1 million, but here people already made it, and some people are already in the process of hitting that, and some people started their journey. So next, you have the opportunity to start the opportunity. So now, for example, Ayyappan, when you start with us today, any marathon starts with 1 run. Right, Swati? Do you go for a run? You go for a walk? Do you go for marathons? Swati, do you go for marathon, right? When you start any first run with marathon, in the first month, you focus to complete your fast track training and complete your financial goals, by your own family financial goals, and complete your license. Whatever it takes, complete these 3. Whatever it takes, okay? Then once you become all these 3, then you become associate here. There's something called a 45% compensation level. So then By the time you have when you have 3 associates with you, like when you make 3 more associates like you become associates, Swati, then you can help to make 3 more associates exactly like you. Then you become a marketing director. Right, Leela, Ruchi? Right? You become marketing director. But out of these 3 associates, if you make at least one person as a marketing director like you, because you know how to ride a bike now. Can you teach other people how to ride a bike? Right? When you repeat the same cycle, then you're going to become a regional marketing director, which is 78% contract level. By the time you complete from all this path here, it depends on how much time you're spending part-time or full-time, you are going to make at least a 50 grand to a $250,000 here. Okay, people already made it. People are already making it. Okay, next, new people will come and make it. Okay, now, when you repeat the same cycle again, when you make 10 more RMDs like you, then you're going to make a $1 million, first 1 million. I'm not asking the only 1 million. You're going to make a first annual income 1 million. Right? So, right, Leela? So he is a Hubert. Hubert is our founder of Hedgeman Group International, HGI platform. He wrote a very beautiful statement here. I personally like this one. If you can read this one, he said, "Hey, I'm giving a enterprise for all entrepreneur-minded people like you or like me. You can use this platform and build a big conquer and build their features, right? Anyone can use this platform to conquer your journey here, right? So many people are hitting $1 million income here, but people are right now chasing for 8-figure income. If you repeat the same cycle again, then you become a 10 million annual income here. People are fighting for this one right now. People are chasing for this. Right? Making sense? So now, let's say we call this a business of the rapid, relentless repetition. Right, Leela? Rapid, relentless repetition. So, okay, we can do part-time or full-time. We can do US and Canada both. Because our company can also do it both the countries, US and Canada. Right? So, let's recap. What we did. So, Ayyappan, why business, why not job? We know that, right? So business has more successful people. That's what you said in the starting. So if we ask you one question, this is my mentor used to ask this question always. If you want to be tiger in the jungle or tiger in the zoo, which one do you choose? Tiger in the jungle, you want to become tiger in the jungle or tiger in the jungle? Which one do you choose? Leela, anyone? Ruchi, who else? Gayatri, Swati. Which one do you prefer? Do you want to be tiger in the jungle or zoo?
Jungle, because I want to be free.
You want to be in jungle. Okay. But if you look at why zoo has a lot of options, right, Ayyappan? Zoo has on-time food. Okay, any animal living in the zookeeper will provide on-time food, right? On-time bath, on-time medical benefits, SSN, everything. Why Ruchi choose only jungle? Jungle hardly you have to fight for food every time. So what is missing in jungle? In zoo, I mean to say.
Freedom.
Freedom, Gayatri, yes. Freedom is the freedom you are missing here, all right? So similarly, when you're doing 9-to-5 job, I highly respect 9-to-5 job. 9-to-5 job, you get on-time benefits, everything. But ultimately, we're missing your freedom, right? So that's why it's very important, essential to start an additional income stream to become free from 9-to-5 eventually. Otherwise, you end up working for 9-to-5 forever. That's why business. Which industry? There are many industries, but data shows financial industry the largest industry. Okay? And which platform can use? Why not HGI? HGI is 30 years industry here. HGI platform, the HGI founder is in 30 years in this industry. Oh, what happened? Why did it jumping?
Yeah, we are good.
We're good? Okay. I think right. So I'm sorry, that's
Thank you.
pretty much end of the session. I mean, end of the presentation. So you need
Thank
to, I think that's it, Ravik. I think presentation is over. Yeah, we can hand over to you.
Excellent. Yes. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Ravi Paladu. That was an amazing, energetic presentation. So all the folks who joined for the first time, Ayyappan, Leela, Swati, Ruchi, and Gayatri, anybody, right? Srujan, all the folks you heard from one of the very passionately building business leader from our team. You will like once you meet more with the person who invited you, and ask them the right questions like how this can add value to you, how this can help you to grow and accomplish your goals, because business is working and it is growing big time, and we also have our team website where you can see a lot of success stories. All right, let me just quickly share. So we work together as a team and we build it together as a team. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, Ravik, it's coming up. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is the calendar which we all align together and work as a team. And we will, once you get started, what kind of onboarding you will be taken care, and all these success stories. Okay, imagine or visualize yourself, right? Your story is going to come. Anybody who is making more than 50,000 and above will have their profile and story on this thing. And you can see Ravi Paladu here who just explained. All right. So this is our team, and similar kind of instance also happen on Tuesday and Thursday. And we welcome you to the next instance happening. And take a right decision. Right information and take a right decision. So having said that, let's split into the rooms. So Gopinath, are you here? Gopi and Ayyappan? I'll put you in room number 4. I'll be there soon. Yeah.